Hi everyone, let's take a look at the following example. Find the antiderivative of 1 divided by the square root of x cubed with respect to x. Step number 1, if you think about the square root of x cubed, that is the same as saying x cubed in brackets to the power of half. Once you express it in terms of exponent form, you can rewrite this as the antiderivative of x to the power of negative 3 divided by 2. And again, you're trying to find the antiderivative with respect to x. Don't forget, when you find the antiderivative of x to the power of negative 3 over 2, you have to add the exponent by 1. So in this case, it's going to be negative 3 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by the new exponent. So negative 1.5 plus 1 is negative 0.5. So divided by negative 1 divided by 2. And again, because you're looking for infinite many cases, you have to add a constant c. Now, if you keep going, this equals to, again, when you're dividing it by negative half, that is the same as multiplying by negative 2. And if you think about right here, x to the power of negative 1.5 plus 1, that's going to be x to the power of negative 0.5, which is the same as 1 divided by x to the power of 0.5 or the square root of x. Again, if you want to confirm you're doing it right, I would say spend 1 extra minute to double check. So if you take the derivative of this answer, you should get the question back. And again, I'll talk about this, but I want to make sure you take a piece of paper and a pencil and you try this on your own. When you find the derivative of negative 2 times x to the power of negative half, the derivative is going to be negative 2 times negative half, which is 1. Then you multiply by x to the power of negative half minus 1, which will give you exactly 1 divided by the square root of x cubed. And of course, when you differentiate a constant, that's going to be 0. I hope this makes sense.